vlog.
Can this be an intro for your vlog?
Oh yes, this is gonna be the intro for Oliver's vlog, guys.
Ollie Owl. He doesn't get any views. It's
Ollie
okay.
Owl. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy the video.
Add the snap.
Oh, of course. We pull up the snap. Hold on. Where even is it?
You have to include this.
Okay. Add the snap.
Add Casey.
Oh, and Victoria.
Oh my god, man. This was not like this. In 30 minutes, all of this snow just came down. That is amazing, guys. I cannot take it all. I don't know how I feel about this. Oh my god. Oh my gosh,
I'm going to Stewart's with Oliver.
Siri doesn't work on his phone because he got it pirated off of Amazon, so it's okay though.
It says.
Wow, Domino. Man, Dominoes again. 2 Dominoes, and then. I didn't get one word.
Oliver's gonna start crashing.
Stare.
He's got a. No, don't.
Return.
One now.
I want to join the race.
Nelson chose it. Be careful, that
It doesn't fit in.
you never know. Nelson uses the heavyweight.
You're in the lead.
Alright, listen, I'll make sure to scoop him out.
Okay, this is a prime time to keep him up.
Go far. Go far. Oh. Start from here. Put it from here.
Alright, you put it in.
Donation,
boys.
guys. Come on.
Donation. Bring back to society.
Oh. Come on, Nels. Gotta do it for the charity.
No, because my phone's actually gonna go in this though.
My car didn't fit in, so your phone's not gonna fit in, Nelson.
No.
Fortnite.
Stop.
Everything goes to local charities.
Mom, you're taking video.
Mom.
Oh, I'm sorry, son.
All of my waistband. I'm not a sex offender, I promise. You're doing 2 push-ups for $50. You can do it, Nelson.
You can do it, Nelson. Come on. You got this.
I'll help you.
You got this, Nelson.
No, I'm good.
No, Nelson. $50, bro.
I'm good.
I'll do it. Can I do it?
Water bottle.
Can I do it?
You'll have to do like 5.
Alright, that's what you.
Come on, Nelson, you can do it. Come on, Nelson, right here.
If you give me a 5, I'll do it. I don't need
Nah, my leg's gonna give out. It's like
If
Trevor
Nelson
December.
does 2 push-ups, I give him $50.
Nelson.
Oh my.
Oh my
Gosh dang.
Nelson!
Guatemala.
Man, we're not using bullets.
Holy shit.
Wait, yes, can we use bullets?
Holy shit. Bro.
No, that's not fun.
Bro. A sign in, sign out. Oh my god.
Hey, Oliver.
Today we are going skiing. We on the ski lift.
God damn it, learn how to use the lift.
Oh damn, he's kind of high up, not gonna lie. So you better smack my phone. I wanna kill you. Wow. I don't know where that is, but it's pretty. If you guys like this video, like, subscribe, you know the deal. Sorry, my voice is really bad. I think I lost my voice, but this video took place over the last 3 days for this whole Martin Luther King weekend. And thank you to Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. for this day, for this weekend. So, yeah, thank you. Bye.